students. This video is the part 2 of chapter number 3, subtraction. So now our topic is addition and subtraction together. So first number example, 10 plus 15 minus 13. So first add 10 and 15 together. See 10 and 15 in the first. So we write 10 and 15 and then add them. The answer is 25. Then we write 25 and then rest of the part minus 13. So subtract 13 from 25. 25 minus 13, the answer is 12. Now exercise number 9. Find 28 minus 11 plus 15. In step 1, 28 minus 11 is there. The answer is 17. Next, 17 will be there. 17, rest of the part plus 15. Plus 15. Now add them. 7 plus 5, 12, 2. 1 is in our hand. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 32 will be the answer. In the same way, we will do one sum now. Okay, last one, 42 plus 19 minus 13. In step 1, first 2 digit there, 2 numbers, 42 plus 19 in step 1. 42, 19 plus 19. 9 plus 2 how much? 11. 1, 1, 11. 1 in the tens place. So 1 plus 4 how much? 5. 5 plus 1 how much? 6. 61 is the answer. Now 61 there. Rest of the part minus 13. So now subtract. 1 is smaller than 3, then this will be 5 and this one will be 10 plus 1, 11. Then 11 minus 3 how much? 8. Then 5 minus 1 how much? 4. 48 will be the answer. They are right, 48. Now the topic is rounding numbers. So basically rounding numbers up to 1 to 100 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now look at the number given below. 12, 16. 12 is near to 10. 12 is near to 10. So 12 is rounded down to 10. Because each of the number 11, 13, 14 is rounded down to 10. Rounding a number to a smaller number, because 12 is a bigger number, bigger than 10, 13 also bigger than 10. So rounding down is 10, rounding down to 10. So rounding a number to a smaller number is known as rounding down. Now see for the number 16, 16 is near to 20, then 10. 16 is near than 20, then 10. So 16 is rounded up to 20. Similarly, each of the numbers 17, 18 and 19 is rounded up to 20. We also observe that 15 is halfway between 10 and 20. So 15 is rounded up to 20 because 15 is in the middle of 10 and 20. So rounding a number to a greater number is known as rounding up. Now exercise. So there is 83. So here is one scale 80 to 90. So our question is 83. It's near of 80 or 90. You can see clearly it is near to 80. So the answer will be 80. In the same way, 78 is near to 80. So rounded up to 80. This one 66. So this one also rounded up to 70. Now the topic is estimating sum or difference. See, first one 18 plus 43. First you have to round it up the numbers and then add or subtract. First 18 is rounded up to 20 because 18 is near to 20. Then 43 rounded down to 40. Then add them. The answer is 60. Similarly, there is one subtraction. 74 rounded down to 70. Then 32 rounded down to 30. Then subtract. 40 will be the answer. Now exercise. So there is 41, 34. 41 rounded down to 40 and 34. This one also rounded down to 30. 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 3, 7. And this one also 4 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 3, 7. So 75 rounded up to 70. Estimate is 70. Now next one, 78, 25. Subtract. So 8 minus 5, how much? 3. Then 7 minus 2, how much? 5, 53. Now 78 rounded up to 80. Now 25 rounded up to 30. Now subtract. 0. 8 minus 3, 5, 50. So 53 estimate difference is 50. Now word problems. So there are 74 apples on a tree. 31 apples are picked from the tree. How many apples are left on the tree? So 74 apples are there. 31 apples are picked. So subtract. 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. 43 is the answer. Now addition and subtraction together. A shopkeeper had 96 kites. He sold 57 kites on Monday and 28 kites on Tuesday. How many kites are left with the shopkeeper? So first day he sold 57. Then next day 28. So total he sold 85 kites. Then total 96 kites are there. Shopkeeper had 96 kites and he sold total 85 kites. So 11 kites are left with the shopkeeper. In the same way, next, a cartoon can hold 88 apples. 28 apples are already there in the cartoon. If Bina puts 36 apples in the cartoon, how many more apples can be put in the box? So first we add 28 apples are already there and Bina puts 36 apples. So we first add 28 plus 36. 8 plus 6 how much? 14. 1 for 14. 1 in tens place. So 1 plus 2 how much? 3. 3 plus 3 6. So 64 apples are there. So a cartoon can hold how much? 88 apples. Total 88 apples a cartoon can hold and 64 apples are there. So subtract now. 8 minus 4 how much? 4. 8 minus 6 how much? 2. So 24 more apples can be put in the box. 24 is the answer.